It's a slimy fucker. But it's good.
Foraging for mushrooms in Idaho. There's more here.
Holy shit. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Wow.
Lobster mushrooms. Super yummy with the food.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
My whole
so
bag's
fun
gonna
to
smell
forage.
Like lobster.
Idaho is just magical.
Smell like lobster for
And
months.
then look at this one right here.
Holy shit. Another beast. Wow, look at the color of that thing. That's a beautiful one.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So beautiful.
Oh boy. Oh, there's two. I got 2 in 1.
Whoa!
Nope, 3.
Wow.
3 in 1. That's a good one. Let's move this thing out of the way.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Discovering yet another one. Look at that.
Oh, it's a
Look
good
at
one.
that beauty.
It's a good one.
This is so much fun.
It's a coral mushroom. We're out. Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Having
so
seafood tonight.
Yum. Look at that beauty. Gorgeous.
Here we go.